Fuselage introduction. Motor stop switch. Timer. Selector switch. Head shake switch. Motor start switch. Lever stationary handle. Pressure bar. Start the linkage key. Emergency stop button. Pressure gauge. Pressure regulating valve handle. Preparations before starting up. 2 bars. 1. New machine refueling. Open the chassis side door. Open the tank cap. Add hydraulic oil. Oil level below the top of the tank can be 30 mm. Note that it is better to change the oil for the first time in about 2,000 hours. It must be replaced in the next 2,400 hours. The oil filter must be cleaned for 500 hours. 2 bars. 2. Power cord connection. Please check the voltage used in the factory before connecting the power supply. Whether the voltage is the same as that indicated on the mechanical nameplate. This machine uses 3-phase 4-wire 380 volts. Power line, sequence, live line, ground line. Connect in line sequence. Open the main gate. Start the oil pump. The oil pump is started, the oil gauge has no indication, and the oil pump is reversed. Turn off the main switch. Swap the order of any 2 of the 3-phase lines. The pointer of the oil pressure gauge moves, the oil pump rotates forward, and the oil pressure is normal. 3rd, mechanical function. 3 bars and 1, emergency stop switch. Used to switch machines and control power supply. Power off when pressed. Clockwise rotation 90 degrees reset. 3 bars and 2, the oil pump starts. Oil pump start button. Clockwise rotation 90 degrees reset. Press the button to start the oil pump. 3 bars. 3, operating table lighting switch. Console lamp switch. Dial left, close, right, open. 3 bars. 4, pressure head positioning rod. The positioning rod of the indenter can be pulled up to move the front and rear positions of the indenter. Pull the locating rod out, move the forward and aft position of the ram strut, align with slash. 3 bars and 5 bars, start and emergency stop keys. Start key. Emergency stop key. Start the need to press the left and right start keys at the same time. Emergency stop only need to press any one on the left and right. 3 bars and 6, tighten the return distance of the rear section. Used to adjust the distance of the left front and rear tightening return. Turn counterclockwise, tighten the return distance is short. The tie is not withdrawn. Clockwise rotation, tight return distance is long. The tight exit distance is long. 3 bars and 7, pressing time. Pressure on the timer. Used to adjust the time of the left secondary rise pressurization. Set the press time to 2 seconds. Start bottom pressing. Presentation time is short. Set the pressure time to 8 seconds. Start bottoming. Pressure. With a long time. Three bars 8, pressure before molding. Pressurization selector switch before molding. Used to adjust the pressure mode. Dial left, press before forming. Start sole pressing. Secondary indentation before forming. Dial right, press after forming. Start sole pressing. Secondary pressure action after forming. 3 bars 9, bottom action selection. Bottom pressing action selector switch. Used to replace the pressure bottom action according to the requirements of the oblique type. Switch to center. Initiate sole pressing. Bottom pressing action, tightening, edge pressing action. Switch to the left. Start sole pressing. Bottom pressing, tightening action, edge pressing no action. Switch to the right. Initiate sole pressing. Bottom pressing, tightening, edge pressing action. 3 bars 10, pressure bar selection switch. Press lever selector switch. Turn on and off the swing function of the pressure lever. Dial left to open the boot mode. Initiate sole pressing. The pressure lever does not swing during bottoming. Dial right to open normal mode. Normal mode strut swings back. Start sole pressing. Normal mode strut start swing out, end, swing back. 3 bars and 11 replace the rubber block switch. Replacing the rubber pressing block switch. Used when replacing the left rubber pressing block, manual edging block can be used in and out. Dial right, edge pressing rubber block out. Dial left, and return the crimping block. 3 bar 12 tightener replacement. Tensioner. The cincher set screw. Loosen the cinder retaining screw, grasp the tightener and extract the tightener up. Align the tightener with the slot and lower. Tighten the set screw. Complete the harness replacement. Replace the 3 bar and 13 edge rubber block. Edge pressing block. Right dial switch. Edge pressing rubber block out. Select the edging block to be replaced, loosen the fixing screws, take out the edging block. Edge pressing glue block slot. Insert the edging block into the slot, tighten the set screw. Complete the replacement of the edging block. Left dial switch. Return the edge pressing rubber block. 3 bar 14 tightener switch. The tightener switch is used to turn on and off the front and rear tightening actions. Dial left and the cinder closes. Start sole pressing. The tightener does not operate. Dial right and the cinder opens. Initiate sole pressing. Tightening on, bottom pressing action begins, tightening action. 3 bars, 15 tightener pressure. Regulating valve for pressure gauge of the cincher. Turn counterclockwise, the pressure is small. Bundle. When the tightening pressure is 0, the tightener has no action. Turn the tightening regulator clockwise to increase the pressure. The pressure of the tightener is generally adjusted to 25 to 30 kilograms. The pressure of the tightener is normal, and the tightener moves. 3 bars, 16 primary pressure. Primary pressure gauge regulating valve. Inverse. Turn the regulating valve in the hour hand. Primary pressure decreases. The pressure should not be less than 20 kilograms. When the primary pressure is less than 20 kilograms, the base does not rise when starting bottom pressing work. Turn the pressure regulating valve clockwise, the pressure rises. The pressure reaches 20 kilograms and the base rises, generally transferred to 25 kilograms. 3 bars and 17 secondary pressure. Secondary pressure gauge regulating valve. Clockwise rotation pressure is large, otherwise the pressure is small. The secondary pressure is determined according to the process requirements, generally transferred to 30 kilograms. 2. Secondary pressure. The bottom pressing machine generates upward pressure again after tightening and edge pressing actions. Make the pressure bottom press fit more tightly. 3 bars and 18 edge pressing once. The pressure gauge regulating valve of the primary pressure gauge. Start the bottom press. Turn the pressure regulating valve counterclockwise. The one-time pressing pressure of the edge pressing is small, and the one-time pressing pressure shall not be less than 10 kilograms. 1. When the secondary pressure is less than 10 kilograms, the crimping is weak and cannot be reset normally. Turn the pressure regulating valve clockwise, the pressure is high. Primary pressing pressure of edge pressing is generally set it at 15 to 25 kilograms. When the primary pressure is 20 kilograms, edge pressing quickly, normal reset. 4. Bottoming operation. 4 bars and 1, the oil pump starts. Turn 90 degrees clockwise to reset the emergency stop switch, press the motor start button, start the oil pump. 4 bars and 2 bars, adjust the position of the pressure head. Put the oblique rotation into the bottom presser smoothly, and start the bottom presser. Front and rear ram pressure skew position offset. Press emergency stop to exit. Adjust the length of the pressure head, clockwise rotation, short, otherwise long. Adjust according to bevel height. Adjust the position of the pressure head, and adjust the position of the pressure head according to the size of the oblique rotation. After adjustment, the front and rear pressure heads are in the right position with the oblique rotation. 4 bar 3. Bottom pressing operation. Put the oblique spin into the bottom press. Start bottom press operation. Bottom pressing in progress. Bottom pressing is completed. Take it out and press it.